Man, I couldn't tell. I was like, is this really old? I wasn't expecting this. The mosque is... This is why Coach said the highway is the fast way, though. Yo, what's up with it, guys? We are in central Vlora in the old town, or what they're calling the new old town. I don't know if it's an old town that's been restored or if it's actually being built just to look old, but we are here and so far it's really nice. The weather's really sunny. Really beautiful looking town. The beach is crazy. I really like the island that we seen off in the distance from the apartment we rented. But peep, guys, this is the little central square looking part of the old town. This is pretty cool. All right, guys, so I don't know where we're going. I'm following Mish. She says she knows of a good cafe over here, so we're gonna take a look and see what that's all about. Get some coffee, get some food in us, and then get on the road down to the Riviera. I like the look of this a lot so far, guys. This is a really cool little city center of Vlora. I wasn't expecting all of the cobblestone and stuff, but I'm really curious, like, is this old or is this new and being made to look old? You guys have to let me know that in the comments section. Either way, it's still very cool. It's just, yeah, it does seem like it's just made to look old.
Hey guys, what's going on? So we're walking around Vlora City, and it's pretty beautiful. I'm not sure if this is actually old or new or redone or what, but yeah, it's pretty nice.
What do you make of the beach?
Oh yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah, it's pretty impressive, guys. You've got like a little kind of bay thing going on with like a peninsula hanging out the side and an island. I mean, it's really beautiful. I guess this is the old new town. I don't know, but we're checking it out. All right, guys, we are on the hunt for vintage coffee. We don't...
Was there another right?
Google is not your friend in the Balkans, let me tell you. That is the damn truth. But I'm liking it a lot. This is a beautiful spot.
Unknown road. Yes.
Still on the quest for this place, vintage coffee. I don't know, hopefully it's good. Sounds like they got food, so that's a plus. Yeah, this is weird, man. It's a nice town. It's beautiful, but it looks like they just remade this like to make it look old. I don't know. Either way, it's still sweet having a little downtown area and having a beach and stuff. So, I mean, it's not beach weather. We're not here at a time you're gonna go swimming, but you know, it is. You know, at least from the view from that apartment we rented. Oh my God, like really beautiful beach. I don't know. We'll have to see. I guess we'll see what it looks like down the rest of Riviera, and then I'll give you an overall review of what I think of Vlora. But I will say this, you're very close to Tirana here, so this is possibly, if you like this, a really nice spot to be where you can get into Tirana quickly. I can arrange apartments out here also, so let me know. We can do apartments, we can set you up with people, contacts that are in pretty much most of these cities. So if you happen to see while you're watching us any city that interests you, let me know and I'll get some of my Albanian contacts to start asking around, and we'll see if we can find you what you're looking for. All right, so I definitely don't know what to make of this. Like, is this really an old town, or is this just older buildings that have been made to look like they're ancient. Everything looks way too new. Like too new, too clean. It's very strange. It still looks cool. Like it still looks very cool, and I'm glad that they're rebuilding it in this way, but it's very odd. I just didn't expect to see like a completely remodeled version of an old town. I'm so curious. You guys are gonna have to tell me if this is really an old town or if this is just like a Hollywood movie set, because this is tripping me out. I wasn't expecting this. Yo, okay, so it is an old town. It's ancient, apparently, according to what this one lady was trying to tell me. Her English wasn't amazing, but I think from what she was able to get across to me is it is a real old town. It's just not the original facades. Like, they remodeled the whole thing and really revitalized it and spent like lots of money, and that's apparently why it's all bright and everything looks so new. But yeah, it is a real old town. It is a real old place. So that's very cool. It's very, very cool they did this. I mean, guys, look at this. It looks so new. Like, this is like serious revitalization. Like, I was looking at this and I was having a hard time believing that this was actually old. But yeah, she was saying they sunk a lot of money into fixing this up, and that this is the original old town. It's just you know, totally remodeled. I was thinking maybe these facades here might have been a little bit like what the originals of the area probably looked like, because I see architecture like this in a lot of old towns in Albania so far. But this kind of like pink with the or yellow, or you know, oranges with the kind of the shutters, that was redone recently apparently. So that was helpful. But man, I couldn't tell. I was like, is this really old? Like, I mean, like, look up there. Look at the quality of that wood there. You know, I guess it was a serious revitalization. But yeah, I'd be really interested to know if there's any Albanian people who can give me like the whole 411 on what was done here, how old the area is. I would love to hear it. So please let us know, guys. Shoot us with some stuff in the comments.
All right. Hey guys, what's going on? We are in Vlora. We just finished brunch. So this is an old town, but they have fixed it up recently. So everything looks, we thought it was fake actually. But, well, not fake, but like new. And no, it's legit. They just kind of spruced it up a little. And so far it's very beautiful. Coming in, we saw the sunset yesterday, and it was pretty amazing. It's a lot bigger than I thought, so I thought it was gonna be about the same size as Brad for some reason. I don't know why, but then we came here and it's pretty big. But yeah, I like it. I would definitely come back here.
Yo, what's up with it, guys? So Vlora actually is ancient, but we saw, once we started driving around, we saw the reality of it. So what they did was they took a part of the old town and they made that shit look like really glistening and nice. And then a few blocks away, you see what the original old town kind of looked like, and it's all bombed out. It's all like abandoned buildings and like slums and stuff. It's pretty wild, man. And then you go just a few blocks over and it just looks like, it looked so new that it looked fake. But now that I've seen what the original old town looked like and the damage, it makes a lot of sense that they had to probably redo a whole lot of it. But Vlora is cool, guys. I would say it's maybe better to have a car out here. Whereas like in Tirana, it seems like it's, I don't know. I think you probably could walk in Vlora. If you stayed near the center, it'd probably be okay. But it seems like having a car out here is a lot better.
Rent a car is the thing to do.
It is. And if you're gonna stay out here, guys, you can get a lot of Mercedes very under market out here because, you know, there's so many Benzes in this country that like a 10-year-old Benz is only gonna cost you a couple grand. So I would say if you're really gonna post here, open an LLC, get yourself a 10-year-old Benz and just live out here in Vlora or one of these chill little towns. And you can always just go into Tirana for business. Like that's why I'm in Tirana. I'm in Tirana for networking. But if you're just working online and you're not tied to the city, you know, places like Vlora, places like Barat, man, they can offer a really nice little quiet lifestyle.
And very affordable.
What do you think of when you think of Albania? I think of opportunity. I think of a country that's open. I think of a country that wants long stay expats, that wants people to come and invest, wants new ideas, and is looking towards the West. I think that Albania is a beautiful country with incredible landscapes that can offer a very comfortable lifestyle at a very reasonable price. We will help navigate your journey to becoming an expat in Albania. We're working with some of the top lawyers. We can help establish businesses. We can help you get your residency. We can help you get real estate. We can arrange almost any contact that you might need for the process of moving here in almost any city in the country. We will simplify the process. We'll make it a lot easier for you to move to a country that maybe in the past would have been more of a challenge. With our help, it's going to be a walk in the park.
Brush your face and wash your teeth, son.
Hey, what's up? I'm D from Canada. Hook up with the New York Nomad if you want a smooth ride into Vietnam or any Southeast Asian countries.
Hey, my name is Aaron. Get in contact with the New York Nomads. If you want to get into Vietnam, hit them up. They'll get you in securely and professionally.
Yo, this is Uncle Hollywood. I'm telling you right now, the New York Nomad got me a job. He's legit. Hit him up. Check him out.
New York Nomad set me up in Vietnam.
Yo, my man got me a job. Come to Vietnam.
Hey, what's up, guys? You thinking about coming to Vietnam? You're not sure where to start. You've heard a lot of things online. You don't know what's true. You don't know what's not. We offer a consulting service where we help you get on your feet in Vietnam. We give you advice on negotiating contracts with employers. We help you with real estate agents, visa agents that are reliable and that you can trust. We help you get started in this amazing country and get on your feet. We help you get into different opportunities that might be more difficult for you if you were just landing in the country on your own. And we help you avoid a lot of the pitfalls and problems that you could have as a newcomer here. We provide you with reliable job recruiters, visa agents, real estate agents, and advice. If you guys are thinking about coming to Vietnam, hit us up for a consultation. We'll help you get started, help you get on your feet, and hopefully you'll love Vietnam as much as we do.